Whimsical Woodland Path. Cox Tile consider themselves lucky to be tasked with a truly unique project that touched them personally and challenged them professionally, both technically and creatively. The Children Bereavement Center of South Texas is a nonprofit organization that focuses on changing lives by helping grieving children and families heal after the death of a loved one. In their San Antonio location, they reached out to create an inspirational 76-foot-long, 54-inch-wide hallway with two 70-square-foot rectangular landings at each end of the main entrances of their newly remodeled facility. The goal was to depict a beautiful mosaic woodland pathway to create a sense of wonder and beauty and reflect the emotional journey of healing for each family. The whimsical pathway begins with small pieces of broken tiles, symbolizing the fragility of the children entering the program, and gradually progresses to larger, stronger pieces as the path continues, symbolizing the healing process. Along the sides of the path, mosaic murals were created to incorporate various flora and fauna to tie in with the full wall painted murals to come. Butterflies were heavily requested. Working in a tight, heavily trafficked area, the center was still fully operational, with an undulating substrate proved to be highly difficult. For the pathway itself, 4 colors of 24 by 48 piece of uptown porcelain field tiles were cut down multiple times with a water saw and then pieced randomly together, mixing colors, sizes, and shapes. Pebbles and wildlife were individually scribed in, resulting in over 1,000 pieces of field tile meticulously pieced together for the path. To border the path, a colored map with flowing patterned designs was provided to create the borders using the thousands of 1x1 and 1x2 individual glass mosaic tiles in groups of 14 different colors and finishes. These mosaic patterns had to be custom created by setting the glass mosaic designs individually, off-site, piece by piece. Plans were blown up life-size, and the entire floor was double templated to have templates on the job site and templates off-site at the shop, where the panels were created and assembled. The glass mosaic tiles were cut with the water bandsaws and individually hand-placed to fit the desired flowing multi-directional color patterns. Using tile tape, the designs were then transferred to 1/8-inch Pro Tile cement board, set with custom building products Pro Light thin set and grouted in small sections to make them stable to transport, trim, and then piece together like a giant puzzle. Starlight epoxy grout was used for strength and to reflect the different mosaic colors, so as not to detract from the patterns. Miscellaneous glass mosaic tile, porcelain field tile, stained glass, and ceramic tiles were used to custom create the 147 flower, insect, and creature inserts. Each insert was set piece by piece using a bandsaw and glass grinder to maintain flatness on cement board. They were then individually scribed into the mosaic panel and field tile. All materials were different types and thicknesses, so great care was used. Even with the templates, additional on-site scrolling was performed for the mosaic panels to be installed to meet the field tile pathways exactly. In the entryway, the butterflies were cut from solid glass in muted blues, and as you turn the corner to the main hallway, they morph into full color and are joined by various flowers, butterflies, dragonflies, bumblebees, a gecko, a turtle, and other creatures. Giving children the needed distraction of discovering different wildlife along the path was paramount as they enter the center bewildered and traumatized. Countless hours of tedious and meticulous time-consuming work over a 6-week period allowed time to proudly present this elaborate puzzle, embracing the fragility of life and the path to recovery. Completed with love and compassion for every soul that enters and exits. Congratulations to Cox Tile Incorporated for Whimsical Woodland Path Project, our NTCA Five-Star Grand Prize winner for 2022 Commercial Project of the Year.